Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this WaterFall Faucet. It's got some instructions on top. This is the V-Tour. This also comes with a pop-up drain plug, going with some nice matte black finishing in the bathroom there. So these are fun to install. A little bit of Allen key there. I like this. Comes with the hot and cold, red and black water lines there. And then here is the WaterFall Faucet. Very good packaging here, nice foam. And check that out. That is sleek and looks really nice. This is going to be for a 4-inch faucet or sink inset there. So yeah, should be pretty nice. Here, let's actually just go and do the install. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so let's test it out now, shall we? It's quite elegant, actually. One thing, the water pressure is pretty insane. If I open this like full blast, it's just gonna, the way the sink is rounded, it's gonna just blast this water out of here. So you don't want to turn this up all the way, because even though it's like a thick waterfall here, it tends to like go to a point right here, and then all that water concentrated. You don't want to turn this on full blast. That being said, it's quite an elegant piece. I think it looks really nice. As we can see, it's got the nice matte black finish, which we really like. It's got the little red for hot, blue for cold, and just quite an elegant piece here. I like how it's higher up, so it's easier to wash your hands. The old-fashioned ones, they'd be like right down here, and then you know, like right, the water's coming out like right here, so you got your hand like right here, try to get some water. So it has good distance there, good height, so you can get things in there, like if you wanted to fill up a water bottle or something like that, you can. So quite elegant. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Sorry it's a little longer than normal. I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me. Have a great day, and we'll see y'all next time.